Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Today I'm still going to show you another strategy you can use on volatility 75 indices. You can also apply this strategy to your currency pair. Probably when the criteria are met, you can also leverage on it. Please always remember that using the mobile strategy, you are scalping the market as a beginner. The only reason why you're going to hold trade a bit longer is if you understand the concept of technical analysis. That means you are able to identify where price is going to reverse and where price has a solid or a concrete zone. So these are when you understand this concept, then you can hold a bit longer using the mobile strategy. Otherwise, once you make profit, I urge you to close immediately. Now, this result you are seeing right here is based on the strategy I use on my laptop and my mobile phone. It is called the millionaire strategy. If this is your first time coming across my channel, probably you might be seeing result like this and then you might be wondering how come. So the strategy helps you to identify good area of entry and exit. All is based on price action, but very simple. Even as a beginner, you can be able to understand it because there's a video guide on how this strategy works, um, s- stating the clear terms you need to understand. So it doesn't matter if you have been trading before or not. In as much as you can follow the instructions in the video, then definitely you'll see a result like this. It's a combination of software uh, that uh, bring about this strategy, which is almost let's say almost 100% accurate. Yeah, because it gives you see the full movement of price and then you'll be able to identify when to enter and when to exit a particular trade. So you can use it on your mobile phone. Yeah, it's a custom software. You can use it on your mobile phone in as much as you can subscribe to what we call the VPS. So when you subscribe to VPS, you have this interface of your laptop on your mobile phone, so you'll be able to install those software to trade the strategy with ease. Is that clear? So that is that on that aspect. So let's proceed to today's strategy. On today's strategy, we are trading it on the volatility 75 indices. Volatility 75 indices. This strategy works for both currency pair, like I said earlier on. You can apply it on the currency pair, and then you can also apply it on any other pair out there, be it on crypto uh, or currency pair or synthetic indices, just like what we have here. That is the boom and crash. So you can also apply this strategy. Now, let me explain to you how we use this strategy and how you should be able to trade with this strategy. The minimum time frame should be 15 minutes. Yeah, you can use it on 15 minutes and then 30 minutes time frame. So how do we take our entry? Like for the buying scenario, this is what we do. The first condition is we want to see price immediately. We have this intersection between this line, sorry, we have this intersection between this line where we have the blue crossing the red around the level 20 and level 10. That is first. Then secondly, we want to see price above this moving average in the main chart. So when we have those two scenarios, then we place a buy order. Exactly. You place a buy order, then you hold. Now my stop loss ought to be at this axis because this is swing low. This is where my stop loss ought to be. Then my take profit should be few pips around this top. But for the sake of scalping, I just put my TP in the nearest swing high on the M15. Exactly, because I'm scalping. So that is my focus for now. So when price is here, I can close the trade or I'll do what is called a break even. Exactly, guys. So that is for a buying scenario. Exactly. Then for a sell scenario, it is just like opposite what we had here. Now the first thing you should notice is we want to see this intersection again between the level 90 and level 80. That is the first. Then your stop loss should be at the swing high, which is around this axis. That is where our stop loss will have been, because that is the highest point price got to before price started dropping. So that is where our stop loss is going to be. Then we take sell immediately. We have price closing below this moving average. Exactly. So when you take such, you will have noticed that price didn't even hit our stop loss and price went all the way down. So that is how you apply the strategy both for your sell and your buy. Please always apply risk management, and don't forget that this is on volatility 75. It is very volatile. Make sure you use the minimum lot size, which should be around the 0.001, and then the time frame should be 15 minutes, minimum of 15 minutes, then 30 minutes. So within these two time frame, this is what you should apply. So don't be greedy. The possibility of price going to your favor once these conditions are met in volatility 75 is usually very high. Exactly. Probability is very high. So unlike other pairs that you are going to be trading, then at the end of the day, uh, it goes against you. But in case of volatility 75, once you allow the condition come in place, definitely you will see results. Alright guys, I have to pause the video because I really want to show you that this strategy works if only you you exercise patience and then you let the condition align. Now you could notice that though I was a bit late in the entry. I was a bit late in the entry. That means I took the entry a bit late. So that's why you notice a form of drawdown. So let me show you something, because I have to pause the video like I said, just to make things more um let me clarify things more better for you guys. Now when you take a good look at this point, you notice that price made a bit drawdown, right? It made a bit drawdown to this extent before it later went up. Now this is where my stop loss is. This is the swing low. It is even too close, right? It was too close at that point. So if I had taken the necessary entry at the right time, I wouldn't experience that huge drawdown that later came back to profit. But nevertheless, if you always allow the condition to align, which is first, make sure you notice this intersection between the blue line and the red line. And secondly, make sure price is above the brown line in your main chart. So at this point, the probability is usually high. Remember, it's a scalping strategy. So if you are using it, don't hold trade for too long, especially if you are new. I've explained it earlier on. And if you need something more solid than all these mobile strategy, because some of you do complain that the strategy didn't work. At first it worked, later it didn't work. The reason is because you still don't understand what price is doing. If you understand what price is doing, it won't be giving you such results. Exactly. But if you want something more concrete, don't hesitate to get the Momolina strategy. I've showed you the outcome, the results. That one has more accuracy than all these strategy. Even though you are novice to trading, you'll be able to use it more accurately than all these mobile strategy we have here. The reason why the mobile strategy fails is because you can't see the clear picture of the market. Yes, you can't see the clear picture of what price is really doing, and you don't even know exact areas price will be taking reversal. And most of the time, these mobile indicators do lag. That means they lag in terms of information. So that is why you do experience those losses, even when the condition is in line. But for something accurate, then don't hesitate to get the linear strategy. It will help you recover your losses and at the same time make you a consistent profit earner on Forex. So now let me give you the settings for this strategy. Now you click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, you go to the indicator settings. In the main chart, we have moving average with the period 20, that is exponential, shift 0, close. Then you click on save. Then your window 1, you add the RSI. To add the RSI, that's the latest chart index, you have to click on this F plus in the main chart. So when you click on the F plus, the period should be 1, apply to close. Exactly, apply to close. The style should be your background color, because all we need here is the level. So we have the level 20, level 10, level 50, level 80, and level 90. So the area of the 80 and 90 level are areas where you should be expecting to take your sell opportunity when price intersect at that zone, while your 10 and 20 should be area of your buying opportunity when you have the condition met. Don't forget that you should use your 15-minute time frame as the lowest. Don't You can try 5 minutes time frame probably for scalping, but for solid result, 15 minutes upward will be very okay. Then when you click on it, when you are done, you click on save. Exactly. Then on your window 1, you add moving average with period of 50, exponential, shift 0, apply to close. You click on save. Then lastly, you add moving average with period of 10, shift 0, method exponential as well. Then you use any color of your choice, then you click on save. When you do this, you have the same settings like what you just see, and then you'll be able to apply the strategy. You can also apply the strategy on currency pair, including crypto. So you can also try it on your book marker, but for now, for the course of this, it's mainly work perfectly on volatility 10, volatility 75 index. So I prefer using it more on volatility 75, because once the conditions are met, price don't usually fail at such areas. Most usually when you are using the 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, the results will usually be okay. So that is that on this. Thanks for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and put on notification bell. I notice majority of you are viewing this, watching my videos, but you are still yet to subscribe. Please kindly hit the subscribe button. It is very, very important. It will help to grow this channel as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.